In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking, GoHighLevel CRM lead form data using Google Tag Manager. And last video, I already showing you how can track Google Ads conversion tracking, how to add conversion linker data, how can add Google Tag data, okay, and how to implement a GoHighLevel CRM from embedded from using the custom HTML listener code. So if you not watching this video, go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Already at this video, this is the how to track go high level from Google Ads conversion tracking. You can watch this video. Okay. So now we can go to the Google Tag Manager again. Step by step, I can showing this one. So first of all, we need to check it like how many information need to sending the enhanced conversion tracking data. So this is the Google Ads guide platform, Google Ads URL, and this page showing this one how to send like how many information Google Ads conversion enhanced conversion tracking purpose. So you can scroll this one. So this enhanced conversion tracking means sending the user provided data from Google Ads platform. Okay, so you can see how many information actually. So enhanced conversion tracking purpose, sending the email information, also sending the phone number, also sending the first name, last name, also sending the address, state, or also sending the city, region, postal code, county code, every information. Okay. So enhanced conversion tracking is two type. One enhanced conversion tracking is lead enhanced conversion tracking for website. There are two one. So if you have a e-commerce business, okay, if you have a e-commerce business, you need to send the all information, email, phone number, every information. But if you have a lead business, if you're not collecting the lots of information for this information, you are not sending the all information. Just record the email or phone number. So this is the key actually enhanced conversion tracking data. So now we can check it our website how many information need to send the data layer send it our data layer. So now we can click the preview mode and go to the website. So our website I think is connected. Just a second. Our website is connected. Google Tag Assistant also connected. Just waiting for loading the GoHighLevel CRM from. So our CRM from also showing. So now we can put the information and submit the form. Then also put the email and selected the checklist and just click the submit, and I can go to the Google GoHighLevel from event, and you can see every information Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking need information, every information sending this data layer. You can see this is the first name, last name, email, also sending the all information. But you can notice one, our from is not needed to sending like city information, state information, country information, postal code, source, anything. So this information no need to sending this our from, but our this is the data layer. This data layer automatically collected this data using the this browser history information. When you visit this one, automatically your browser geolocation data automatically track. Then this data sending the automatically for the our local storage. That's why automatically input this data. And also you can see like just notice this one. Also information, this postal code. This is the date of birth. Also you can see we are using this URL UTM parameter builder UTM URL. So this URL information also collected. Okay, when your Google Ads user coming to your website, automatically this information, this data are collected. You can see like source, also source medium, also campaign medium. Also if you using the campaign ID, also sending the campaign ID, also conversion related any information. Also you can see Google Ads also required, so need to sending the data like hash data. Okay, like email, phone number hash data, like first name, last name hash data. Also Facebook platform also need to the hash data. So this data layer also properly sending the hash data. Okay, automatically sending the hash data. You can just easily copy and paste. So now we can set up step by step how to create the variable. So now go to the Google Tag Manager and click the variables section, and you need to create the variable. So just, but this one you can say I have already created the variable. Just I can show you. Just you can just go to the like data layer, copy the input, and go to the new and selected the data layer variable and put this one. Okay, and now just copy the we can suppose we can put the first name has data. Okay, first name has data. We can just go to this one and copy the first has data. Okay, and save it and put the name, suppose this one, and save it. I have already created, that's why I'm not save it. So same type you can put the every information like email, phone number, state, everything. Okay, every information is just copy and paste. I have already created, that's why I'm not create again. So now we can again go to the Google Ad account. Okay, it's very important. Go to the Google Ad account and go to the settings section. Go to the settings section means like first go to the goal section. Now select the settings section. So then you can go to this section like enhance conversion tracking for lead. This section, I think your new account, you are not check this one. You can just check this one and select Google Tag Manager and save it. Also this section, enhance conversion tracking. This section also you can enable it and save it. Okay, and now you can back to the summary section. And last video we are already create the Google Ads conversion tracking for lead tag. So lead tag, this tag we can just go to this one and click the tag. Also go to the settings section. Also go to the settings section and enable the enhanced conversion data. So you need to go to this one and just selected this one and just save it. Okay. So now back to the Google Tag Manager again and go to the tag section, and we can select the tag and put the information like event parameter section. Okay, go to the event parameter section and put the every information which information Google needs. So if you have a using the like manual like this type of sending the data, not hash, so using this one. So I'm sending the hash data, so that's why just copy the hash parameter key event actually. Just copy the hash, and again phone number also hash. I can send the hash. Also first name hash data. I can send hash data. Okay. Also I can send the last name also hash. That's why I copy this one. So now again add the city, country. So Google not required sending the state information, also city information, not sending the hash. So that's why I copy the like manual this one. So add this state. Now add the city. Now add again region. Now also add postal code, also country data. Okay. So now add the email. So I can just copy this one, no, not copy, just click the plus icon and go to the selector, hash email, also hash phone number, also first name, oh sorry, this is the last name. Also add the first name again, and already selected the last name, selected the street, this one also selected the city, also I selected region and also selected the zip code or postal code, country also. So now we can save it. I can save it and need to check it, go to the preview mode. So this information is coming or not. Okay. So website is connected. Now go to the website. Wait some second. Connected the GTM. So Google Tag Manager is already connected. Just waiting for loading the form. So our form also loading. So add this information. Just I can click the submit again. 1 second. This is the loading. So your form is submitted, showing the thank you message, and you can see this is the GCL. This is the like letter of hiring. Also all information. You can see all information. Now back to the check the tag. This tag successfully firing and sending the data. You can see. Okay, every information has data and sending the address information. You can see this is the address. Okay, so this is actually total process Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking setup. So thank you for watching this video, and if you face any problem anything just let me know. Thank you so much.